Final Four na kayo, gaano ka-challenging yung as a leader na keep in check lang yung teammates mo to remain hungry?
I think, first of all, pre-season pa lang in-instill na sa amin na si Coach Topex na ano man ang mangyari, ano man disposition nyo, kung nasan man kayo, kung anong level kayo, remain humble and hungry. And then, ayun, yung ano naman namin, yung system naman namin, yung culture naman namin dito is treat as a championship game every game. So, as a veteran here, ano ko lang sila, keep in check ko lang sila na hindi pwedeng mawala sa focus. Focus pa din tayo sa goal natin and then take one game at a time. Yung proseso, huwag namin i-skip.
May certain ka pa bang mga gustong ma-achieve bago yung bago mag-Final Four?
Personally, wala. Team achievement talaga. Gusto ko talaga mag-champion kami this season and then willing naman kami lahat pagtrabahuan yun. And willing kami na dumaan sa proseso, willing kami dumaan sa mga hardships. So, ayun yung kagandahan sa culture namin. Hindi lang ako yung main guy dito, lahat kami main guy dito sa street.
Siguro ano pa yung
I think I need to involve more teammates ko. This past few games, this Bogey Wave is focus na teammates sa akin every game. Kumbaga, focus ng ibang team na mga kalaban namin is nasa akin. So, I need to find ways kung paano ako makakatulong sa team. Whether scoring, rebounding, sa lahat ng aspects. So, if ever hindi mag-click yung points ko sa game na to, I need to do the dirty works kung ano yung mga pwedeng tutulong ko sa team.
Hahabulin namin yung standard na yun. So, that's just keeping everybody grounded, even as coaches. So, ano pa ba yung pwede namin i-improve? So, we're looking at those pa rin.
Do you think yung players parang nila yung nakatatanggap naman nila?
Yeah, kasi we keep them uncomfortable. So, but they know it. They know that we want to grow, and part of that grow is getting out of their comfort zone. So, we kind of make practices and games exciting. Having those small targets during games, just to keep everybody on their toes.
Ano yung uncomfortable doon? Ano yung mga small targets?
Well, the challenge, like for this game, we wanted to limit them to actually 10 points per quarter. So at least yung per quarter ang inano namin kanina. Pero hindi namin na-reach kasi napansin mo 15.
Thank you, Coach.